Hi guys, this is Wayne from Unlimited Signals. In this video we're going to be teaching you how to use the Unlimited Signals indicator on the MT4 platform. If you haven't looked at the previous video yet on how to install it, there is another video on the channel, so if you go back to that and just make sure you get to grips with how to install it first before using the indicator. Now in the previous video when I was talking about the installation, I did give a brief description about what goes on, but I didn't talk about the alerts box. Now it didn't come up during the installation, so I couldn't show you, so hopefully during this video it should pop up. This is a live feed on the markets. I've got 6 currency pairs up. They're the major currency pairs, I believe, give the best indicators throughout the day. So yeah, we'll get started. Okay, we'll give Euro or USD the first one. Okay, so what you have here are these red lines and the blue lines. The red lines are your resistance lines that are integrated into the platform when you use the indicator. And they're all the different time scales as well. They do work on all different time scales, as you can see. I'll just change them up here for you. There's your 1 minute, 5 minutes which you're just on, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and so on. For the purpose of this video, we'll just stay on the 5 minutes. As you can see, the harmonic pattern has just passed, so we have just missed, well, about, I don't know, half an hour ago. We've just missed a good signal there. With the patterns, they do show you what the name is when they're formed as well. You'll get the alerts box come up. This one is called the Gartley pattern, and that one happened, well, for a good few hours there. And then when it comes to the end of that pattern, it will give you a signal. An alerts box will come up to say that there is a bullish pattern forming just after the Gartley pattern. And if I just scroll back through the times, you'll see the shark pattern, which is named there. What else? Another shark there. The butterfly pattern. And if you keep going down, you'll just see different patterns that are formed throughout the days, and so on and so forth. Okay, down here you have your stochastic indicator. You will get both signals pop up. So at the end of this pattern, it has hit the 5 minute support there early in the day, and also there was a change in the stochastic as well. It's hit the bottom of the indicator there, which means it has gone into a deep sell now. They've sold too much, and now there's going to be a strong buy. As you can see, it's travelled up, it's hit the resistance, which means the buyers are they're drawing out now, and there's going to be more of a sale, and then it will cross over here, and then it goes back down. I like to keep the major pairs up. You know, it works on multiple charts. You can, you know, have multiple ones up. You don't have to just stick with the one. It's totally up to you anyway. With the alerts as well, when the alert box does come up, sometimes it will show you 1 or 2 movements that are happening in the market. So it does give you the chance to hit multiple buys or sells. If you're fast enough and you think you can make all of them, you know, by all means do it, because sometimes it comes up, you know, 4 or 5, maybe 6 indicators at the same time, 6 alerts. So, you know, if you're fast enough with doing them all, then by all means do it. But I just tend to, you know, take 1 or 2 out of that pile and make the trade on them. So yeah, we'll just wait and see if an alert does come up. What I tend to advise as well, when you're doing the time scales, to say if you are on the 5-minute ones, I tend to do 3 times the time which is shown. So if it's a 5-minute time scale, excuse me, you're looking for 15-minute expiry. Usually the indicator does come on the dot, most of the time on every quarter, so it does give you, a good minute or so to make that trade. That's what I was saying about the multiple signals that come up at once. If you're not fast enough, you think, I'm a couple of minutes late, then don't risk the capital on that. And like I say, so on with 15 minutes expiry time scale, you're looking at 45 minutes expiry on the trade. So yeah, we'll just we'll hang around for a couple of minutes, and we'll see if the alerts box comes up, just so I can show it you. Anything else? Right, we'll go back onto your USD. You'll have your super signal arrows as well. That does help out with the alerts. Just gives you more clarity and better confirmation that the market is going in that direction, along with the pattern itself. I mean, you can trade just on the super signals themselves, but I tend to use the patterns more often because it's more accurate, especially when it's coming to the end of the pattern. You know that it's gone down so far, and these patterns happen all the time. That it's not that they're repainting, it's the fact that how the market works. I mean, you'll see these months and years before, it's happening today, and they'll happen for years after. The same patterns, you'll see the sharks, you'll see the butterflies, and it's a good thing to learn. Once you go on your own, and I mean, if you're still learning the trade, so to speak, then it's a good thing to learn when you're working with the markets, the patterns. I mean, there's plenty of patterns to look at, and you can go on YouTube. There's plenty of videos on there that teach you different patterns. Go on Google, get yourself a pen and paper, write these patterns down, and then you can see for yourself on a blank chart, just a bare chart, no signals or indicators on top of it. You're just trading naked then, and you can see for yourself these patterns emerging throughout the days and months, years. So yeah, it's a good bit of information for you guys, a good bit of knowledge to have for when you're doing it in the future on your own. It's quite surprising really. I would have thought there'd be an alert by now. Must be pretty quiet today in the markets. As you can see, I'm trading in the afternoon, just after lunchtime. I tend not to trade in the hours between 11:30 in the morning and 1 o'clock in the afternoon. That's GMT, that's UK time. That's where I'm trading from at the moment. During this time, the European market will be open, London market, and US should be kicking off as well now. Excuse me. I'd say give it another minute. Just come up to 1:30. There may be another jump soon, so we'll give it till then. Hopefully the alerts box does come up. I just want to show you guys that it does happen. You don't have to be sat watching your screen for hours on end. You can just have the laptop next to you and just watch a bit of telly or whatnot. Have your speaker up, and you'll know as soon as it comes up. It comes up with a box, and you'll have like an alert, like a jingle or something. You can change your jingles and whatnot. And yeah, just when you do get an alert, so just say, I'll go back onto your USD. Just say this alert has just happened down here at D, and you want to double check that So you'll have an alert come up saying there is a bullish pattern now forming. So it's come out of the Gartley bearish pattern, and now it's going up. You'll then go on to this thing here. So just say if you've got multiple windows up like myself, the alerts box comes up, say in this corner, your USD showing bullish pattern. You go into your main chart, so you open it up like this. You've seen that it's hit the support line. It's now going back up. So this would be the first 5 minutes. So then 5, 10, 15, you're up there. You know, you've won that trade. I mean, if you're coming a bit late, you might even make it into this one. But as I say, you know, try and get there as quick as possible, just in case it's a bit too late to take the trade. What the hell is this? What is that? Right. Still no alert box has come up. What else can I say? Yeah, all of these little calculations here, you'll see these popping up time and time again. These are not for you to worry about. These are just in the background. You know, the algorithms are at work and stuff in the background. All you need to worry about is, well, you don't need to worry, but all you need to be aware of is the harmonic patterns that are happening, the support and resistance lines, and the super signals. Now, if you're trading Forex, I mean, this is, this platform is primarily for Forex, but obviously you can use it for binary options. You can integrate your own. You can put your own broker into this as well, so you can set it up so you don't have to go onto your broker separately. You'll see here when you do set up your brokerage with the platform, you can then make the order straight away, and then you can set your stop loss, you can set your profit line as well, and all your icons up here, all your tabs and stuff. You can add up to 20, 30, however many charts you want onto this screen. Excuse me, my phone again. And yeah, it does get a bit overwhelming. Like I say, if there's so many charts popping up with alerts and this one's this one, that one's that one, you're going to get overwhelmed. So my advice to you would just be start with a few screens like I am. The major currency pairs, which are on my side here, and you won't be too overwhelmed with the alerts coming up. And yeah, I think that's pretty much basically covered it. I'm just waiting for this alert box to come up. Usually they're popping up left, right, and centre. So give it a couple more minutes anyway. JPY. We are coming up to a resistance here. We'll have to wait for a pattern to emerge as well. Maybe it's just quiet, it's just gone lunchtime and the market's just trying to kick off again with a strong buy or sell. I just want to show you guys the power of this indicator. I mean, I haven't had a bad week since I've used it. It's absolutely amazing. It's 80 to 90% accurate, easy. Sometimes more on a good day. I mean, I'll never have a bad week trading with this indicator. A lot of people say, oh, it's lazy trading. You're sort of cheating, but if you think about it, there's loads of indicators out there that try and rope you in with their accuracy levels, and their algorithms are spot on, and I've spent so much money on these different indicators and I've never found the right one. and you know, this one itself. Oh, here we go. Yeah, this one itself, absolutely amazing. Right, here we go. USD CAD. There is a bearish back pattern, so that must have just happened. So we'll go on to USD CAD. So there is a bearish back pattern forming now. Okay, so it's hit the 5-minute resistance. Go on to your broker, USD CAD. Well, I'm also on a demo account just to show you guys what it works. So right, so the nearest quarter I'm going to put on here, and already we're in the money. So we've got 10 minutes. 10 minutes on the trade. As you can see as well, it's about to cross over on the stochastic. It is showing strong signs that it has hit too much of a buy. The buyers are dropping out now, and it's time for the bears to come down on them, man. Yep, still in the money. It is a bit off for neither. I'll trust in this though. I'll trust that we're not going to lose this trade. Definitely not. I mean, it's been going up for a while now. It's hit lunchtime, and obviously it's packing up now. So just gonna see if I can pause this video, and then I'll come back to you when it is ready. Yep, it's coming nicely, look. So still the same. I'll show you the date anyway, because obviously it is the same thing. 22nd November, and 13:39, 1:39 PM, and it's coming down absolutely lovely. You know, the back pattern is showing. Oh, there's another one. There's loads more here, look. Okay, we'll try this one. Euro USD. Bullish Gartley pattern. Okay, so Euro USD, we'll jump off here. Euro USD, there we go. Let's hit the resistance for 5 minutes. Euro USD, go up 2 o'clock. Yeah, we'll do that near there, and we'll call it. Soon. It's showing there on stochastic as well that it's crossing over, it's coming back up. It is showing signs of a bullish movement now. Okay, so that's 2 we've got on now. So I'm just going to pause the video. You've seen the date, I'll show you again. 22nd November 2016. It's 1:41 PM. I'm just going to pause it, and then I'll come back in a couple of minutes to show you the USD CAD result, and then we'll pause the video again, and then I'll show you the euro dollar result as well. Okay, I'll see you soon. Hello guys, it's Wayne again, and right, we're just going up to the win for the USD CAD. There we go. So there's our 73 cents we've just won there for that one. So that one's coming as a winning trade. Now there's some more alerts just popped up as well, and it's still showing a bullish movement now for Euro USD, so that's good, that's brilliant. USD JPY, there's more there as well, but what we're going to do is we're just going to leave the Euro USD now to buy. So it's going up very nicely now. It is trying to retrace itself, but I think the think the bulls are they're hitting hard now. So yeah, we're going to pause the video again, and then yeah, I'll see you again with the other results. See you soon. Okay guys, here's the winning one for USD. And we're in. So that is another win. 2 wins out of 2. That's brilliant. I'm happy with that. Just so you know it works. And yeah, that's basically it guys. You can see the date is the same, 22nd November. It's come up to 2 o'clock. And there's your 2 winning trays right there. And yeah, that's basically it guys. So have fun with the trading platform, have fun with the indicator, and happy trading all together. Thanks guys, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.